Man, Apple still can't break the 215, 216, the 216 high. There's a wick. If you look at the daily or weekly, there's a wick on 216. We're close. All-time high was 260. Unbelievable. We're nowhere near that. And then you look at other people here. Look at Apple. Here's Apple. We'll go to the 4 hour. No, we'll go to the daily. Fuck it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at Microsoft. This is why Microsoft is now number 2 on the Nasdaq or number 3. It jumped up huge. Look at the gap up here on the daily chart. Now keep an eye on here on Apple, the same horizontal point in time. Look at how Microsoft just fucking takes off, as does Amazon, as does Nvidia, Apple. What the fuck are you doing? For those that don't know, I was and still am a big believer in Apple stock. I hold a lot of shares of Apple, but I did it a while back. I'm in profit, but I just can't believe how they hit 260 all-time high. Ever since they sunsetted the Apple car, it just went downhill. What's up, bro? Are you brand new to trading? Where are you at? How experienced are you? I'm congested. Been trading for a year and a half. Took a small break, just got back into it. Okay, nice. Nice. Very nice. Welcome back. Welcome back. She's always been here. She's always here, always waiting for you. Whenever you want to have some fun with her, she's here. Yep. Just as much as you want to fuck her, she'll fuck you right back too. This market. Hopefully we do most of the fucking though. I think we do. I think we do. If we do the math, I think we're up. We're doing the fucking. So you've come to the right place. I don't know if I already said this. I feel like I have short-term memory loss, but I took this long. I don't know if you joined already, but this was last night. It was during class. And what else? That's it. It was during class. I just held it overnight. I took it out at what was it, about 5, 6 a.m.? Yeah, 6 a.m. I got up a little early. I heard the ding. For some reason my speakers were still running. Sometimes they go to sleep. They're on, but they're like in sleep mode. And even if there's a sound, it won't play until they kind of wake up a little, until a little bit of sound. So it must have kept hitting an alert because eventually I heard the ding, and that like it's ingrained in my soul now, this same sound for price alerts. So I shot out of bed and came over, and I was like, oh shit, we still are in this and we're still holding a lot of profit. I did a huge stop loss. As you can see, we didn't need it, but I was allowing for the whole retracement of the hourly candle, which you should, which you should. I didn't on NQ. I said fuck it, and I just did to the cap close, so you can see the wick, just up to here, a little lower. So in case it came down and wanted to bounce off and just fill that and act very bullishly, then it wasn't going to hit the stop loss. But yes, I guess I was just like, yeah, we'll allow it. I think it was also because it was an hourly trade. Thank you. Yeah, it was an hourly trade. Hour trades are tough to do. I don't typically take an hour trade, but look at how beautiful it is. Especially ES. Like this is the picture perfect trade. Three candle formation, swing low, fair value gap, inversed by the IFVG. A fair value gap that inverses is called the IFVG. So one fair value gap, another fair value gap, with the gap, obviously, and a nice wick. Very quick reaction on the same time frame. We're not seeing wicks like that, right? Huge wick. So it came down, shot back up at market at a candle close, and then we dipped a little, but we still acted bullish, higher, higher low in the wicks there. Inversed fully on one candle. That's why I wanted to take this. If it was like a little bullshit, like a dribble, like a 1-2, God forbid, like a 1-2-3, really not interested as much on the hourly. No, maybe the 15, the 5. Yeah, sure. And then, yeah, stop loss because I thought the retracement. Good place to take profit on ES. I'm sure this is an order block, though. I think we're going to take this trend line liquidity. This is engineered liquidity pain, from what you remember. Are you ICT, like educated or trained in trading? Okay, nice. So you know what I'm talking about. You're looking at your Asia London sessions. You're doing your daily range, and of course you know about the fair value gaps and the IFEGs. Do I target untested fair value gaps for TP? Sometimes if I'm in a huge size and maybe the live account, I might trim the next liquidity pool that hasn't been tested. You're right. So if we're going long, the next like bearish gap, that'll at least be a break even. I don't know what if you do. I don't know. I forget if ICT talks about stop loss to break even a lot. I know that my mentor did, who was mentored by ICT himself. He may have added this extra level of not confluence, but of capital security and risk mitigation. Because again, this is a game that we're trying to play for life. You know, that's at the end of the day, it is a game. You know, you can stretch it however you want. You can polish the turd as much as you want. We're still gambling at the end of the day. We're just doing it with high levels of statistical confidence. I don't know where the fuck I was going with this rant. But yeah, ultimately, the market owes you absolutely nothing. And I've said that a billion times. Pain hasn't. And so some unbelievably unpredictable things can happen. Yeah, he gets it. Almost 9 a.m. We're pretty much just chilling right now. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. We're not just chilling. This just got swept. I should have set an alert there. Wow, look at ES. We're looking at the 15-minute. Interesting. So we're going to take discount. Are we going to take London low? Are we going to take Asia low? Have we been overbought all session? And then to continue, do we need to now, well, since we haven't really accumulated all that much, but do we need to accumulate, manipulate down into sell side here and maybe get into this gap? Maybe price needs to get into this gap. And then we deliver for longs at market open / Jolts jobs and consumer confidence at 10 a.m. So yeah, this is interesting. This would be a bullish SMT. ES is sweeping. Well, okay, no, it's not. It's just the 50%. There is no SMT with a 50%. That's just an imaginary range that we drew for reference of the highs and lows of the day. That's it. The SMT would be technically ES sweeping these lows here. So we do have a little bit of a bullish SMT on ES. You'll notice the big spike here. We've been dumping for a while. Also notice the few red candles in a row. We're due for a pullback. We're due for some retracement. Also, given the time of day and the news coming up, you got to think about that news is still coming up. It hasn't released. So the market is still a little indecisive. Okay. And it may, in fact, just be continuing a sell-off until the news. So for going long, I would want to see NQ probably come down into discount, right, of the daily range. If we zoom out again, we'll see there's a huge bullish area further down still. And then below the 50% range, let's go back to the 15-minute. We have just below Asia, look at all this bullish stuff. And this sort of significant wick. So that's why I've marked this gap and this gap with the yellow gold rectangle. We can come down and deliver off. Or it could happen at the 50%. But yeah, either way, NQ didn't do it. NQ didn't do it. This can sometimes lead to a nice little 30-second scalp. If you want, you can take the first inversion on like a picture perfect, like a nice swing low. And then you just target like, this might be your break even, or this here, next liquidity pool / TP. You do have equal highs up here, but 30-second equal highs, that's like 1 minute equal highs. Not really, not too significant. But this liquidity pool, this bearish liquidity pool, could be enough for this to come up and continue back down. We'll see. Oh, we met at a car meet. July 25th. I think I remember. Which car meet? Was it Kraft? Was it that food spot? This is kind of the beginning of a change of character, a CHOCH change of character. We've been coming down lower lows, lower highs, and now that's changed. See, it would have continued like this. Now we're actually pulling off a little. So there's some subjectivity involved in the trading. The candle patterns, trend lines, those are important. Those mean stuff. But you shouldn't be like, oh, we have a shooting star candle and we have 3 white soldiers. You just gotta know this is fucking bullish. This is bearish. All right. If you're telling me, look at the 3 white soldiers candle formation, I'm gonna smack you. I really am. I'm gonna come over there and I'm gonna smack you because we don't do that. It's so stupid. Just look at it as data. You got red and green candles, or however, if you're colorblind, then put it in black and white. I don't know. Whatever you got to do, you're looking at bullish and bearish. You also look at accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Don't forget. Okay? Power of 3, not 2, 3. It's this. No, it's no, it's no. Hang on. Bear with me. It's this. This is what we look for in the market. If we're not getting this, we're getting bad PA. We're getting chop. We're getting shit. We're getting like this, the original consolidation up here. In a buy model, which is pretty much what we're trying to enter in right here. Okay, shit. Where we're taking out some buy side, watch. In that buy model, we're up here. We're coming down. We're going to maybe accumulate. Forget this saying Asia range, but in this graph it is. We need to manipulate down, take out that sell side liquidity, and then shoot back up. This is what we're looking for on the charts today. We're looking for us to come down potentially into here, come back up. It'll probably be somewhere in here though. We'll see. This is a strong trend line. If we can't get out of it, we will hold this because this is something else on a much higher time frame. If you go to 4 hour, look, it's just a red candle. So we could just be continuing down after a little retracement on the 4 hour. You feel me? So this candle is going to close in 1 hour. It closes at 10 a.m., the 4 hour. This could still wiggle a little. It's still a red candle. You look at the 15, you're seeing, oh, we broke it. But it doesn't mean we have to come up to here. It could mean that right now we're in a sell-off. We started it here from ES hitting all-time high. And now NQ hit it. So this could be the bearish high time frame SMT where NQ is taking buy side now. It's snapped up. Okay. So we really have to wait. We really want major liquidity sweeps. And with news coming out and market open, there's no trade. Hopefully everyone knows that. Hopefully no one's in a trade right now. If you are in a trade, understand that you are in a scalp and you are to get out of that before market open, or you are willing to risk losing it. Okay, because at market open, we're going to get a lot more volatility. Price is going to move in a typically a bigger range. We're going to start to take out things such as London and Asia sessions. So, you are gambling a bit more. If you're in super profits and you're holding a trade, I've done it. We've all done it, and it works. Sometimes it doesn't. Where you're holding the trade through market open. That's up to you. That's just going to be a game time decision. Do I like to do it? No. Have I done it? Absolutely. We definitely don't hold a trade through news. Like if you're in a trade and you're still holding it till 9:55, you better exit. You better be thinking about exiting 9:30, 9:45, 9:50, because price may at 10 a.m. you'll get the macro at 9:50 to 10:10. That 20-minute period in ICT terms is very important. It's the most important time frame in macro of the day because you're in the New York AM session and you have the 10 a.m. candle close. You have the 4 hour, the 2 hour, the 1 hour, the 15-minute. You have all these candles closing, a lot of data where people make decisions off of where we are at in the market at the institutional level. So sometimes you'll see at 9:50 to 10:10 a quick reversal, a propulsion of price into the same direction that it's been. A lot can just happen during the 9 a.m. macro. So if you haven't already, check the FAQ channel out. Also make sure at the top you have all channels highlighted, that checkbox, show all channels. And then you'll be able to see the indicators question that I've answered in the frequently asked questions tab channel. And so you'll be able to get your IFVG detector, and that's highlighting the really nice fair value gaps getting inversed with the red or green, yellow box. You've got the ICT kill zones and the macros. And so that's going to actually point out for you when we get into 9:50, it's going to show you the macro. I can show you what it looks like over here. These are the macros. Whoa. Right here. See, there's your 9:50 to 10. It was an expansion macro. It highlights it. And then this was 10:50 to 11:10. I only use those two. You go in and you just edit the indicator yourself. You just check which macros you want. They give you extras, 8:50 to 9:10. I do again 9:50, 10:50, and select lunch and all that. All right, so this, we can delete this. This doesn't matter. Hmm. Good morning, good morning. Welcome. Happy Tuesday. It's currently 10 after 9 Eastern. We are waiting for market open and then 10 a.m. news. So please be patient. We need to wait. We need to wait for market open. Visions in long. Or not yet. You're feeling longs. I'm feeling longs too. Not yet though. Right? Because we still need to complete this. Look at all this engineered liquidity. Look at that. Look at how linear that is. You see this? I mean, it could have been better. It could have been better, but there's still like 5 or 6 touches here, and not a lot of these highs or any really getting taken out. Even from up here, there's no price. You know, none of these lower highs are getting up to take out the previous high. So, you know, we've only taken out up to here. Probably want to come up and, right, you would assume, to take out the remaining stop losses along the way here. That is, of course, if we're planned to just dump at open. And that open also could be deceiving. We could get that manipulation leg up to buy side, then dump down. We could also get the Judas swing. Remember the Judas swing? It's the triple. It's a triple fake out. It'd be the pump, reverse dump, reverse pump. So we can get any one of those. Lately, the market's been really liking the Judas swing. It's just been fucking us up. Not me up. We've been expecting it. It's been fucking the market up. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It's just crazy. All right. We're still waiting. Patiently waiting. always forget to post shit on all the different things. They have a TikTok now. Oh, I want to throw up. TikTok. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing on TikTok. Good. Hmm. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And then we will see what the fuck the market wants today. What the fuck does the market want to do today? Let me make sure I got everything set up. Make sure this shit is right. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right, that is set to go. You are set to go. There you go. Oh my God, people just need to watch the story. Everyone's asking, where's the cruise going? Where and what time? It's like, says it right. It says it right here somewhere. 8 p.m. Wednesday. Best Buy, South Bay Plaza. I'm not mad. I'm not even disappointed. I'm just confused as to how many people can still not see this. But it's okay. That's okay. I'll message them back. I'll be like, here you go. 2.5 minutes. Get excited. So let's back up again a little for people who have joined maybe. ES hit all-time high back here, but hasn't. Again, NQ has, leading to potentially bearish SMT on the high time frame. It could be time for us to just pull back a little bit. Don't know yet. We have to see how the 10 a.m. news candle close, all that stuff happens at 10 a.m. and then obviously market open here. Do not get manipulated out. All right, it's been accumulating. If there's a big move in one direction, don't expect that to be the distribution. Okay. Typically, price is going to want to go in some direction, sweep that liquidity before it reverses. We're going to get some type of manipulation leg or Judas swing, very likely today. I think price still wants to come down, maybe into sell side to some degree, whether it's Asia low and then delivering out of this gap I marked, or if it just wants to come down and let NQ get into discount. I don't know. We could keep just pumping straight off open. We're going to wait. We're going to react, not predict. One minute. 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. All right, here we go. Sweeping buy side could want a reversal. All right, NQ's blasting up. Apple, come on, Apple. NQ keeps pushing. Samson, you there? Or you're muted. Bearish SMT, NQ sweeping buy side. Yeah, I would say shorts are valid as NQ swept. And I think we do want that liquidity pool onto the sell side. We'll see. Also 10 a.m. news coming, so probably should wait. Okay. Wow, NQ. Wow. So far, ES has not picked a side. Is NQ going to pull it up now? Should. Keeps pumping. Hmm. So ugly. Up, down, and then up. Judas swing? I think so. It's got no good inversion. Ugh, ugly. That is crazy what NQ is doing. Just absolute pumps off open. No, you can't take that. I might take this 2 minute short here. Swing high. ES is still holding down. It's holding the trend line. We took a lot of buys, so we're at all-time highs again. If anything, that's a manipulation. There's a false breakout pump. And there's no other gaps here, you see? We just have to close over this. There's no other gaps. Technically, the break even would be, I mean, where you want it to be. It could be here, where it dipped into here again. But technically, break even would be, down here or something. On the 3 minute, yeah, you could make break even here. I don't know if we're gonna get it.
Order filled.
Let's see if this can hold. Samson, are you not able to use your mic today? I'm not hearing you at all. Okay, cool. Mm. Hopefully people took that short. Technically, your break even. You also could have done break even here, which I did. I let it go a little further. But if you're really taking this strictly on the 2 minute, you take the next liquidity pool. So I don't see one. It's all connected. Um, so price may just come down. We'll see. They come down all the way to here. that's huge. We need to get ES to close under here. We need to get it to keep coming under. Yeah, we got 12 minutes though, so anything can happen in 12 minutes. NQ's holding a bit, but it's still acting fine. This was just a pullback. That was not a IFVG to take, no long to take there. All right, we're in discount now on ES. For me, I think I will, you can probably trim at this internal low or here. Honestly, if this is the trade, then you could expect to take London low or Asia low on NQ as final TP. Any questions, throw it in the chat. There's no stupid question. Everyone's here at different experience levels, so you know, no one's going to judge you. It's also a small group, so take advantage of that. You know, definitely just fire away. Any questions? I love that wick. I love how we're about to disrespect this whole bullish move. Again, what I liked about this is NQ took all-time high. We retraced a lot of the LR here. And the reason why I'm going against this is we made a nice recovery, but there wasn't momentum. Notice how this is kind of steppy and small green candles. There wasn't a lot of momentum. It wasn't better than the dump here, indicating that we probably have a higher time frame dump to continue. And if you go to the 4 hour, I mean, it does seem like that, right? We just dipped into that bearish 4 hour to act bearishly and to come down to probably here, you know, somewhere in here. That's my expectation. Yeah, all right, that's fucking dumb. So that's pretty cool. Liquid Levy caught the pump to here and then the immediate reversal. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. All right, this is quick though. This is real fucking quick. So NQ may only want 50%. This is tough. This is weird. Really fucking dumping. NQ just tapped on the 50. Oh, whoa, hang on, 50%. Jesus Christ, excuse me. I didn't update that. We're way into discount. So longs are valid. We're in the bullish gap. Definitely have trimmed by now. If anyone's not trimmed by now, you should be taking some profits. You should be trimming. Okay. Wait a minute. Where is my... Jesus. There you are. Okay. Excellent.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out there. Huge reaction. We're probably going to continue down. I'm going to wait now for a long down here. Yeah, stops at break even. That's good. Oh boy. Oh, we're cooking. Tempted to take this long.
Order filled.
Break even will literally be at 592 though. Get through that imbalance. Get through that imbalance. It's the first inversion though. I took it on the 32nd so I could get break even really quick. Come on. Oh, that was an impulse. Feels like the move though. We just dipped into discount. We're reacting bullishly out of this bullish area. Swept a lot of sell side on ES. In fact, is this a yeah, this is a bullish SMT. ES is once again doing a ton of sweeping of sell side. So I do really like that. I think we're going a little bit against order flow though. I think we're still bearish high time frame. So I don't love my trade. That's why I took it much smaller. I'm risking a fraction of the profits that I just gained from that moment ago trade. Not the last night's trade, just the moment ago trade. And should have held that short because you caught 40 points. You're done. Yeah, you're done. When you're done, you're done. That's good. You're done, Vision. It's 10 a.m., not even, and you can go do other shit. Go to the gym. It's time to go to the gym. It's time to get that pump. Come on. Order block. Order block. For those that don't know, that's an order block. That's a bullish order block. You got your piece of bread, other piece of bread, peanut butter and jelly, whatever we want the middle to be, ham, sandwich, bologna. This is your bread. You've got bullish candle, and this one needs to close over the open of this, which it's way above. See that, how this is above here? That was an order block. So now if we get another red candle and then another green candle above that, that would be what's called a propulsion block. That's going to push price even further up. We have 10 a.m. news coming out, so I'm probably just going to get out of this trade. So a lower number will be bullish. Consumer confidence. Higher number will be bullish. So let's see what we get. Could be bullish. No, don't hit the stop. Don't hit the stop. Don't do it. It's probably going to do it. That's okay. Fraction. Couldn't even get out of that break even, huh? Son of a... Or was this just the stressful retracement? Wow, if this candle can eat up this whole red candle, we have that propulsion block. That would be a strong ask of this candle in 20 seconds to do. So I don't think, oh no, oh no. Nice, B-Lock. Yes. Thank you. Come on, Jolts. Come on, Jolts. Jolt us. We need a jolt. We need to jolt up to higher price. Oh, I'm gonna get fucked by the data candle. If we get a big data candle, I'm gonna get fucked. I'm gonna hold it because I have a stop loss. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm expecting bullish. It's a little stressful. Let's see. 2 minutes now. Let us pray. Dear Lord, make the price go up higher. Amen. Oh boy, this is going to be a cheek clencher. Hopefully everybody at home has their cheeks clenched right now. I sure do. I don't know if I can do this for 30 seconds. Release the news. That's bullish. Be less than 7.51. Oh. Okay. No big data candle whatsoever. Notice that. Got absolutely nothing. So that's good. It kept us in the trade. Let's see if we continue bullish. Big volume imbalance on NQ. NQ bumped up there on the 3-minute. Now it filled it. We still can reverse on the 3 and come back up. This could still be part of an order block. I like the way the wicks are getting higher. Again, see that? We've had the wick and then higher. That's holding still, which is good. We have higher lows. The lows in this case are more important than the highs. We have higher lows. Market's kind of split 50-50 right now. Spotify is tanking, down 11%. AMD is what's, if anything, holding up the market, up 3.5. They're about 180 a share now. They've had a nice comeback. AMD, I bought a long time ago. I always knew it was going to be a good AI secondary push because they make the same chips that Intel and NVIDIA make like the same chips. There's also in Taiwan, which covers about 2/3 of the global supply of chips. So someone's got to help make them. There's a huge AI and quantum push. So of course AMD is going to come back into the market as a huge market shareholder. I mean, they're AMD. They're not nobody. I saw that as a huge buying opportunity. If you look at the daily of AMD, it just was like fucking on a bear trend forever. And I just saw that as a liquidity sweep. I just thought it was going to be a sell side liquidity sweep for a reversal. Liquidate a bunch of people panic selling. Fuck you, price. All right, so this isn't going to be a good long. That's okay. That's okay. I didn't expect it to. There's still the slightest inkling of a chance where we deliver right off of this, but it's very doubtful. This has to hold, basically, this wick, and then we come up right from here. Yeah.
Stop filled.
Stop filled. Oh. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. We had the short. We had the very nice short. Could have held, obviously. We're gonna wait for London and Asia get swept. So that's what we're waiting for now. We need to see, London get taken. It was on ES. So more likely than not, Asia is our aiming point, and we're going to deliver somewhere out of here. Take Asia to deliver somewhere out of this bullish area right here. Or, since ES already took it, we come down, we go out of this golden rectangle that I marked off. Come down and deliver out of there. Somewhere in there. Yo, what's up? What's up, Mo?
Yo, how you doing, bro?
Good, bro. How are you?
Doing good. I'm in ES shorts.
Nice. That's the play. Yeah, we already TP'd. I did one. Oh god, I have to log in. But yeah, I took this short.
Oh, you hit TP already?
Oh yeah. I got out in discount as it was starting to retrace around 50% daily range. But no, you should still stay in it. If you're in it, I would hold till at least till for you Asia low. I think it's taken.
Yeah, that's what I'm holding for. As far like maybe partials there.
Yeah, because there's still a huge bullish gap just below Asia.
Mm-hmm.
I like that for the reversal a lot. Here we go. Starting to get pulled down. Let's go. I'm gonna be patient. That's gonna get tapped into. Asia Low's getting swept. Yep. Well, there's gonna be some huge meteor shower tonight and tomorrow night. You're gonna see like red streaks of fire in the sky. Hopefully the clouds are there's no cloud coverage. It says clear skies tonight. Oh, a lot of wicking here. A lot of wicking. What's up with that? What's up with that?
Yeah, man, I hate when this happens.
Hmm. Come on, push down, you fuck.
Bro, you gotta put that magnet emoji.
Huh?
You gotta put the magnet emoji
Oh,
to drag it.
yeah.
Yeah, it's just some moving lower soon then.
All right, that'll do it. Watch now as magic works. Oh, the magnet's working. Shit.
Told you, bro.
Good call. All you need is a little magnetism. A little north and south. Oh no. God, look at these stacked lows though. Stacking these lows. I think we're gonna flip. If we hadn't just pushed out by now, it's still 1020. So the volume's here. Like it's gotta either pump through or she's gonna reverse. Or sorry, continue down.
Well, I'm hoping to keep pushing down, to be honest with you.
No, I know I wanted to for you for your short, and then for this liquidity pool to get hit to go long. Because I mean, you see this on ES. We unless it's a higher time frame, just dump. We need to hit this like these highs, these LRLR. You know, we kind of like grind it up, which tells me that we're kind of just high time frame continuing bearish. So that's what I think. Deliver out of here, or even take out the whole yesterday's dump low, the previous day low. We will see.
It's just not like the back and forth is just annoying. Either go up or down.
Yeah, this is some chop now. That news did nothing.
Nothing. I expected at least to have like a big jump to the upside, a big dump. Nothing.
tomorrow maybe, but that's just bullshit NFP.
Don't forget also it's the last week of the month.
Yeah. Unemployment claims Thursday. And NFP. There should be a great candle on Friday. Oh, fuck. Apple sucks. Apple break 216. Come on. Right here. Break this. $130 on Q options. Let's go. Nice vision. You're crushing it today. It's a good day. This bullshit. Yeah, tonight's the meteor shower. It's going to start late tonight into early tomorrow morning. 2 meteors are colliding, and it should be a sky of, like, they're saying raining fire. So that'll be pretty cool. And the magnet pulls through.
I don't like that. NQ's taking the lows just now.
Yeah, NQ's taking some lows.
I want to see both of them moving together.
Oh, it's really working. Oh, you see that? I was moving the magnet for
Oh.
ES, and it's pulling ES right now. Hang on. Let me just see what I can do. All right, all right. Oh, oh! Just bring this one over here.
Keep pulling, bro. Let me hit my TP.
Oh, Payne hit TP'd. Everyone's TPing. Everyone's got toilet paper. Let's go. All right. Hey, post it in the profits. Post it in chat. Let's go. Post a testimonial. Say this guy Levy, he knows a thing or two. Maybe. What's the word? Wait, Mo, what time works for you tomorrow?
For what?
The cruise.
Oh, I'm just do 8.
8. All right.
Yeah.
And then we're dipping by 8:15, 8:30. No sitting.
Okay. Where are we going, you said?
I don't know. Where do you want? South?
Not too far, and then like good highways.
Yeah. Whatever. Whatever you feel.
I thought the poll said Friday.
It did. I forgot I have a flight on Friday.
Oh, okay.
I have to fly out.
Gotcha.
I fucked up. Yeah, hopefully you can make it tomorrow. If not, we'll do it for a Friday again.
I'll try to make it. Don't worry about it.
Oh, this is exciting, isn't it? Ugh.
This price action, man, is just halves. It's been same spot for almost an hour.
Yeah. It'll move. It'll move. It's just dancing for a minute. Wants to take out anybody trying to, I guess, go short here. Come on, Price. Go. nothing major. Yep. Asia low is the blue line. You can see it's marked right here, Asia. Also, if you have trading view, you go into indicators, or I think you can get this with any indicators, and you search for this one. The ICT kill zones and pivots by TFO. You add this, and that will mark those for you. Okay. You pick the colors. I did that, and I unselected New York AM, so you can add New York AM. Watch. I don't want this to go away. God damn it. See, there's New York AM now. It's selected. So I'll unselect it. See, it goes away. And then we'll get the lunch. I can do lunch, New York PM. But I just do Asia, London. I change the times too. You want it to be from 8 p.m. to midnight. Midnight's 0. And then 2 to 5 a.m. London on a 24-hour clock. And that's just, god damn it. And that's just up to how you want to do it.
It's finally moving.
The magnet's working. Magnet is still doing its thing. We're gonna put the We're gonna put the magnet down here because price is gonna.
Well, I might just close it fully at this gap. It's been so long.
Yeah, no, Asia low is fine. Asia low is fine. I'm just thinking it's gonna come down.
I was aiming for the low from yesterday, but with this price tag, it's gonna happen.
Yeah, it's slow. All right. That's Asia low. Nice trade. Nice trade, Mo. Are you out? You holding?
Oh, I was on mute. Yeah, I just got out.
Nice. Hell yeah, bro.
Holy shit, man. That took
Holy shit.
forever.
Very nice. All right, we're dipping into that 15-minute. We've dumped for a while, so if anything, we're going to come back out and come back down further. And then we may start a pull and then reverse take some more sell side. So I'm not taking any long until this whole 15 minutes.
Yeah. I wanted to hold all the way down, but price action is just ass, man. Like, I lost my patience. I used all of that up.
It's all good. Asia low is 25.16. Okay, so that's NQ. NQ just swept. Ooh. Oh. The 30-second looks nice if it closes over the double gap, but again, after that kind of a dump, I wouldn't just take the first inversion. It looks nice, but there's a big 3-minute. Yeah.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna head out. It's come down for the day.
Okay.
Alright, bro. See you later.
Have a great rest of your morning.
You too, bro.
Thanks. See ya. All right, so we're getting a little bit of chop. I think we're gonna come down a bit more. We have a bit of this gap, this 15 minutes to fill on ES, and NQ is not even there yet. So the other thing is we could just be having that, like I said, that high time frame dump, right? So we're gonna continue. We're gonna have to go even further here. Okay, so that would be down here. So, but at some point we have to reverse. We have to take out all these highs, all this trend line engineered liquidity up top. It's just bound to do it. So gotta wait and see when NQ. So far we have the bullish SMT with ES sweeping more sell side. Okay, and ES swept all of this. NQ is stuck up on Asia low. Ooh. I'm not buying it. I hate the chop here. So ugly. I want to see the reversal happen really fast. You know, if I were to take this, I would take perhaps the 3. Five minutes about to close, so if this stays down here, no, that's not a swing low either. I wouldn't take this long. This seems to be turning around a little bit. I still don't like it. We've dipped into a bullish fair value gap, so we're bound to have a bit of a pullback retracement up for further dumpage. I don't, and it's not really, well, it kind of is aggressive. We kind of trailed down more from this. You know how we increased our decline into the sell side liquidity pool. So I do like that. We do close over here. You could be taking this long. I'm not. I don't really love it. I don't love all this stuff here. Sometimes price does this. It likes to just stall and then go. I like to see a swing low, something really nice, obvious. As you go higher time frame, you could maybe get it. So, you know, perhaps like I said earlier, the 2 I think was good. The 3 is probably a little bit better. But then you have a gap right here that you have to get through if you're just including this gap. The 3-minute has to now get over this if you're taking NQ. And that might pull down ES as well. So right now, actually, the 5 is looking the best. because you'd be able to get through all this. Your break even could be, you know, mechanically all the way up here at the start of the 950 macro. But again, I don't like this long because look, we zoom out. Look at this gap. We're just entering this gap. So what we don't want to see, and what sucks with the time, is that we don't have a little bit of time. We have to wait 55 minutes for this hourly to close, and it could close under this gap, which would indicate more bearish. So we really all almost expect to see like a swing low form here on the high time frame. So I'm kind of painting in my mind this third candle already. And so this one will come down a little more, maybe make that lower low. It has already, I'm pretty sure, by one tick. So if it just can come down a little bit lower, maybe fill up this gap, and then start to come up in the next hour or two, that move will present itself. That'll happen, right? And then, so I do see price needing to come down and fill this gap is what I'm trying to say. NQ still isn't anywhere near it, so that's also why we should probably wait. And it's after 11. We're inching away out of AM New York session, the best time to trade. And now we're slowly entering a difficult place to enter trades. I'd say by 11:30 a.m. you really want to be in that trade. And if you're going to hold it through lunch, that's up to you. Man, I should have held that short. Jeez. Let me try. I'll log in. I'll show you the short. Okay, here it is. 23,63325. What times did I take it on the one? Twenty-three, 63325. Five, 7, 4. Yeah, so somewhere in there. I don't know about the time. Probably like this. Well, yeah, I still got a 4, but or about maybe a 3 something. Maybe it was up here. Yeah, I should have held it. I thought we were gonna reverse, but I didn't realize at the time on the higher time frame we were gonna keep smacking down because ES wanted to maybe do that as well. All right, I'll log out of that. Go back into this. Okay. So yeah, I caught this one overnight, woke up to the beeps of my alerts. Took both of these index trades. The executions are on the trade recap tab channel, so check that. Also make sure at the top, this is very important, listen up if you haven't done this already, make sure you click at the top, Liquid Levy, the drop down and the checkbox, show all channels. Make sure that is checked on. I don't have a lot of channels. This is as broad as it'll be. It looks like there's a lot. There really aren't. This is for you guys. You have the miscellaneous and frequently asked questions and the psychology and the learn ICT and the vocab terminology and the class recordings, all under education. So you have all that stuff. I'm going to post to YouTube the live trading because it's too big of a file, but all the evening classes are in class recordings. You have the ICT method, my trading strategy in there. Use the ICT mentorship YouTube. Just learn that, absorb it, come to class, ask questions. We'll constantly do review classes. I've also done some one-off individual recordings of myself, just giving some like little lectures. So that's in there too under class recordings. So just keep learning. Oh, and I'm missing this. Oh, shit. Not yet. Not yet. Well, I have nowhere to be. I have to go to the gym later because I have someone coming, like the Geek Squad, to put up my big curved monitor. So we're going to have another like 30, 34-inch curved monitor here pointing down. So I have all this shit spread out. We got a light here too. Oh, yeah. Shit's getting real. Yeah, this is still all just making sense. You know, we didn't close under here. See, we're dancing on that line. So the hour, like 45 minutes left. It could still come crashing through here a little bit, come up, form a wick when this candle's done painting, or even have like a little open close little slit here, like that doji thing. You know, see here it comes, it's coming lower. And then we might be on our way up. So we have to start watching. Hopefully we'll get like a swift little dump for a sec, and then we'll be able to use that fair value gap as our entry on the reversal. Any questions? Please throw it in the chat. We may just keep going. We may go and take this out before the reversal. I may have to shut off my magnets. We'll let this one, we'll let the MQ one keep going because we need MQ to maybe sweep into here for the long. You know what may happen? Here's what we may get. ES, and this is what we like. We like a bullish or any SMT where ES does the sweeping and NQ doesn't. So we're gonna get ES come down here, sweep this stuff, which tapped in and closed out the gap. That's where we delivered from after going into the new week opening gap. So after this dumpage of that, we come in here and reverse and go all the way for London high. London high, excuse me, from Monday. Not this London high, Monday. But here's the thing. I think we're actually just on a bleed because we just tapped into this 4-hour gap. See that? And we're bleeding. So I think this is just a sell off for like a significant sell side liquidity before any reversal back up. And again, that low is that one. So perhaps we get the reversal long opportunity after ES takes previous day low and we sweep there. And NQ stays in here and reacts bullishly. It delivers off of the bullish fair value gap. That's what we'll go for. That's what we'll go with. See you, bro. Have a great day. Thanks for coming. be like right here. We don't want it. We don't need it going any lower. Like right here, it can go like inside the magnet, and then it can like reverse, like right there. All right. What to do? What to do? I wish we had like a game. We'll have to start to download games. There's games. You guys hear the music clearly, or is it bad?
I'm not that easy to tame. You should see me in the days.
That was blurry. Fuck, did I shut this in? Alright, I'll fix it. Oh yeah, why does it go blurry? Is it blurry? Good now? Alright. Probably doing too much shit. I had the music app and yeah, I guess that's, you can't do all of that. I'll have to start boosting the server because I only got 2 boosts. I don't have actually like the HD streaming. Yeah, I don't have level 2 yet. If anybody wants to boost me, I need 3 boosts. So if you have a boost, you know, give me a boost. You know, maybe I'll Venmo you, you know, $5, $10, $15. I don't know. I'm just not paying for Nitro annual. What do they want? What is this? Hang on. To get those 3 boosts, just those, or to get, I guess, the full boost to level 3, I have to pay $180 on an annual subscription, and it's like, maybe I'll do that in a minute. I just don't feel like it. With those kind of things, I'm cheap. All right, let's go. We're about to take sell side ES, and we still have the delivery opportunity here for a bullish SMT with ES sweeping sell side. Long opportunity if we get it. That's if we get it. So far, there hasn't been any big like manipulation down to more sell side. It's just grinding down and with greater speed than it was pulling up from before. You know, after this dump, it fought, pushed, took what it needed, and now we're dumping again. So on that high time frame, we could just be bleeding off. Keep that in mind. Also keep in mind, no big news today. Greater financial news later this week, including NFP. And we're also at 11:30 a.m. So really, I've had good trades. I have had success, but you really want to be careful after 11:30 until about 1:30, or at least noon to 1:30. That's your lunch, 90-minute frame. It takes a minute for things to pick back up. But generally speaking, 11:30 to 1:30, you want to avoid. ICT himself likes the lunch hour. He uses that as a macro, as its own session, and he'll trade that. Lunch seeks, you know, its own liquidity typically, so it's a strategy. I just don't like it. I don't do it. I'll do it if I see an A++, and I'll call it out too. So what else did we call out today? So trade recaps. We got these 2. Okay, and then I'll have to post this now. I don't remember where the stop loss was. It wasn't any higher. I'm just wondering if I put it lower. Fuck it, I don't care. Whatever. This is my trade. Huh. Well, remember now, we still have time for the hourly. All right, we're going to delete this magnet now. We still have time for the hourly candle to come back up and have a wick here, even though we're below the gap. We have the bullish SMT. ES has swept everything. It swept the sell side. Okay, so ooh, the 1 minute. Wow, that's nice. That's gonna stay right like that. Oh shit, guys. If this candle comes up and closes over, we're probably gonna take it. Break even will unfortunately have to be here. If you're gonna be really strict, it's gonna be here, guys. 23,484, like 50. Oh wow. You guys getting excited? Hey. Don't take too big a size just because it's 11:30. Lunch can get real weird. Oh, don't invalidate. If it goes into this gap, it's invalid. If it goes too high. Oh. Ah. It's a great spot for a reversal. There's still a half hour left though, so it can keep going down. So we did not get the close over. You should not be in a long. If you're in a long, I'm sorry. I said close over on the 1 minute. It did not do that. Missed it by like 2 points. We still could get it. We still can get a delivery here. This didn't close under, got a spike, and now if we close over here, that's its own new trade, and it's a change in state of delivery. However, I no longer like this because we don't have the swing low. Yeah, we're going lower. So we'll just keep an eye on things. Huh. All right, keep an eye on that. Ah. Yep, this is good. This is, well, on the 15th second, it's valid. We can wait a little bit higher time frame. Damn, that's too bad. You could take it on ES. ES had a valid. Close on the 30. Just not a very swing low. Picture perfect. I think we're just going to continue. Or maybe not. Maybe this is it. Oh, I might have to take this too. This 2 minute inversion. Oh, it's a big gap. Big gap. 40 points. All right, the 3 minutes, okay. The 3 minute is looking okay. Still a minute left. It's a swing low. I think we're gonna keep dumping. I think it's a bearish day after taking those all-time highs. Yeah, I think so. At least we have the bearish SMT on the 4 hour. NQ will probably have to come down and take 438 or 440. 436, excuse me. It's a little lower. It's hard to see. 436 is looking like, yeah, these lows. And that would get us into a little bit of like an odd gap from the New Week opening gap. So could see the reversal if NQ can get down there. But right now, I'm not liking it. You can see how like 11:30 and things kind of just like slow down, kind of die down. Looks like we're going to continue the push. Oh, we're getting a nice bullish delivery. Nope. Just on the low time frame. Never mind. Never mind. That's dope. Going for more sell side. Alright, no longer interested in that gap. So I think NQ is going to follow suit and take out here. Look at price go. Look at it go. So I thought I was right that we were just going to continue the bleed off instead of the reversal in here. So we're gonna at some point reverse. Once NQ takes this, ES might be somewhere else. It might be delivering out of here. So we can take that. It's a big gap. It's a 4-hour gap. A lot of 4-hour sell side. IRL, internal resting liquidity sell side, not external. Internal resting liquidity sell side getting taken out as we speak. It's actually all of these lows. So ES now has a bullish SMT opportunity. I want NQ to just sweep that. As soon as we sweep that, that'll be amazing. And previous day low. Oh shit. Just taking screenshots. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. You know what that means, guys, if it's nice. Means it's nice. Nice.
Order filled.
$444 is my stop, even. Got in just a little bit early because it was just so high. I knew that was going to happen. We're getting a retracement. Perhaps we continue. You know, this is just an inversion, but I do like it. I do like it. We didn't take that low yet, which is the only reason why I don't love it. Break even. If you took the 2, break evens here. Excuse me. I'd say we're due for a little pullback. We've just held a bleed for a minute. I did take it small size because I don't love the place where we're doing it. And again, we didn't take that sell side. Sometimes price will do that just by a tick or two. It will leave it. So maybe. Looks seems to be pumping a bit. The 3-minute closed over very nicely. We have a nice wick on the 5. See that, guys? Looks really nice. The 3-minute did a nice inversion. The 5-minute has a nice wick. Yeah, we're pumping. See, that's how the liquidity works, guys. You know, it may just be that we get into this liquidity pool and we continue down, but it's a break-even trade if we get there. It isn't yet, but it's looking like it will want to because there's no other gaps on ES. That's the first gap. So, good trade. Good trade, everybody. Anyone take this with me? I can be a little more clear about taking it, but I think that was pretty clear that I liked it. I can be like, I'm pushing the buy button now. Click. Yeah, Manny knows. Manny knows what's good. We're in the long. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Oh, so many messages. All right, that's break even. Notice how we just whipped down. Notice how we just whipped the fuck down. So that could be super bearish. The break even may save us. But you gotta do it. B-Lock, anybody? Uli, Jakuza, anybody else in long? You're too late if you're not. Don't just jump in. You're too late. We called it out down here, the 2-minute inversion. Pretty textbook, swing low. Like, not as big of a wick as I'd like, but still good. Very nice as well. Candle, same identical thing happening on ES. We swept a ton of sell side. We're not doing it exactly where I want, which, you know, we could continue bearish. In fact, on the high time frame, we very much could just continue bearish, and this is just a bit of a pullback. We're just gonna hope that this is a good long. Everything seemed mechanically correct. We even got a bullish SMT with ES. ES swept all this, and NQ didn't even touch this low. It might have made an equal low. We're about to do a 15-minute inversion too. That would be sweet if we can stay up. There's a little gap here. That would be sweet. Then we can get back into premium. Then we'll print. So I got it at 475.75. Where did I put this? 440? Did I say? Yeah. And then, I mean, shit. And then this bitch will technically just cook. Maybe back to all-time high again. That'd be a nice 5-0 trade, just under 5-0. Damn. We'll see how this goes till 3:45, 3:30. Hour looks great as well. Everyone's seeing that in the hour. Real nice. Super bullish SMT. Unfortunately, the market will fake you out. Those waiting for that sweep, it didn't happen. We went. Sometimes that happens. We call that the Levy sweep. When we just do this low right here is 43825. What's this low? Shit. Never mind. It's not that much of a Levy sweep. This is 43675. So this is still more than a point lower. I'm talking about like a tick. When this low were to come within 0.25 of the other one, that's a real fucking Levy sweep. That's when they really fuck you. Really fuck you in the market. Here we go. Pump it up. You know what it's time for? I know what it's time for. Pump it up. It worked once earlier today. Why can't it work again? I mean, shit. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Give me some room. Give Price some room. Read. Sheesh. Oh no, I can't. Okay. All right, enough of that. They got the message. They got it. The universe heard us. Ah, shit. Don't you know? Pump it up. Come on, Price, pump it up. I don't need Price to pump up right now. It needs to almost take that sell side um, liquidity right there, the 2 points below. But you know, it might just hold it. It might hold the SMT with ES doing it. So. Whoever's back missed it. We entered a long. It's already break even. We got the magnets. We even played Pump It Up, the remix, the full song. We played the full song, and Price is now going to start pumping it back up, as you'll see right here. As you will see right here. Oh, shit. Well, you will. You will see it. Pump it up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pump it up. Fucking pump it up. Pump it up. Up, 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 up. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I swear it works. I swear what I'm doing right here, it's very technical. You have to gain this skill through a lot of experience. You have to. You gotta know how to just move it just right. You gotta hone in on it. Sometimes counterclockwise. You know, everyone's a little different. Come on, fuck. This doesn't need to work. I just want it to. You know, we all just want things to work out. But I think we're gonna continue the bleed. Notice the bleed. It's just voop, voop, bleeding. Pull back from, you know, a brief pause on the bleeding. And bearish SMT with NQ, but now bullish SMT with ES on the bottom. So a little confusing here on the 4 hour. We go down to the 1 hour. It does, jeez. It does look a bit bullish here. We swept so much sell side, all this. And we are due to, you know, maybe come up into here at least. I mean, here's the 50%, right? This may get filled though, this wick. And then we come up again. It's tough. Tough spot to be in, especially noon. Lunchtime, this sucks. This is not fun. Lunch hour. Lunch hour is not fun. Don't go down there. Don't go down there. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Yeah, that's right. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Fucking reverse. Nah, it's not low enough. It's the break this. Ooh, it's probably just gonna fucking take me out. Unless we can get the reversal. Reversal. Don't tease me like that. You always do. Don't do that. Close over. 40 seconds, you close over. Oh, that's not good. That is an awful reaction. That is awful. Wonder what I'm doing. See the phone? Oh, you can see. Nope. Nope. Yep. 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 Nope. Nope. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. Please. Oh, oh. This is a cheek clencher again. We have ourselves a cheek clencher. Don't do it. Please. Dear Lord, make price reverse. Go to buy side. Make price reverse and go to buy side. Amen. Dear Lord, please continue to pump the price. We know you can do it. You are almighty. All right, forget it. It's not going to work. Thought for a second he had us there. He was helping. We had that bullish candle for a second. If we get stopped out here, guys, I'm going to end the live. I have Best Buy Geek Squad coming in the next like hour and a half, and they're going to put up the big screen on the wall, and then I'll be live again for like about 1:30. I hope. Again, the window's till 2:30, so I'll just go live anyway, and we'll try to work around it. I'm not going to unplug anything. He'll just like put the screen up. I think I have another plug. Yeah, I have another whole plug, so we're good. And then, yeah, this will work. Oh, for Christ's sakes. Take me out of the trade. Just take me out of the trade already. God. Oh, geez, we're in the trade still. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Take me out.
Stop filled.
Stop. Let's go. Stop filled. Yay. We're done. All right. I'm going to call it on the recording on the live for now.